Alright, y'all, so this is the first fit right here, and if you notice the crispiness, I got the Rode mic right here, Rude, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I know y'all was cutting me up on the mic the other day, so I had to go and cop one of these. And I actually got this as a Christmas gift slash anniversary 3-year gift, or maybe just a present. But anyway, this is the first fit right here. I got the EE shorts on with the American Red Cross right here. Now you can only get these shoes. You can only get these shorts by donating blood. All right, that's the only way you can get these. All right, unless you buy them off the resale market. But you know, I am a retail poppy and I had to donate that blood. You feel me? How many black people do you know that don't have tattoos? How many? It's very rare these days, all right? But I just watch a lot of TV. But anyway, this is the fit right here, all right? I know my legs is a little bit ashy. It's about 7 in the morning. I'm doing this video for y'all, so I'm just trying to get y'all up and out of the house today. If y'all missed my other video, get outside today and Monday because these shoes are everywhere, flooded. All right, now the shorts are in a size small. If you want to show your aesthetics, if you have an athletic body type, get the size small. In my opinion, it will show, you know, a little bit of your teardrops and whatnot. Dang, my knee's ashy. I know one of y'all gonna be cutting me up in the comments. I'm not editing this over. But anyway, this is the fit right here. Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, so I threw on a t-shirt with it real fast just to show you guys a tight polo. I reviewed this in another video, guys, but if you guys want this type of fit, this is a slim fit polo t-shirt in a size small. Now, if you don't want it to be this tight and want your arms to have a little bit more breathability, go to the size medium if you have similar body measurements to myself. Now, I'm about 5'9" to 5'10", 160 pounds. And as you guys can see with the small shirt, once I start to raise my arms and move around a little bit, they will start to rise. You have to keep on pulling it down, you know what I mean? So if you don't want that effect, go to the size medium. You know, you will have a little bit more space to grow. And you know, something to work towards if it does start to be a little bit too big on your arms. But let's get into the next fit. I'm gonna just turn around for you guys, show you guys what it looks like real fast. Let's get into the next one. Now I know summer is over, so let's move on to the sweatpants. Now this is one of my favorite sweatpants. I like the dark oatmeal better than the light oatmeal. It gives it more of a, you know, real sweatpants type of look and feel. But with that being said, I also like to tie my, you know, pants like this because it makes it look nice. It's still long, but it's not hanging long, you know what I mean? But this is the first fit right here, you know, just if you about to go get a smoothie or something like that, you don't want to look like a bum, but you still want to look nice. You know what I mean? You might see a little hottie, you know what I mean? So this is something smooth, especially for this type of weather. Even though it's about to be break outside, you got to enjoy these last few weeks. Honestly, I think this is going to be one of the last nice days if it doesn't rain. But let's get into the next fit. Alright, y'all, so this is the next fit right here. If y'all don't want to wear a tight white t-shirt, you can go for a gray to match. I know a lot of y'all like to match. Now this gray isn't the same type of gray on the bottom, but it still does fit, still does go together, you know, the white, the red, you know, for y'all out there that like to match and whatnot. So this is the fit right here. The t-shirt is in a size large if you guys are wondering. And this is the Young Boy Supreme shirt if you guys don't know. But clean, smooth. Let's get into the next. All right, y'all, so this is the next fit right here. My favorite pants ever right now is the North Face pants. This is a Summit Series pants right here. It has that fitted, tailored look that I like, the slim look, but still has that bagginess to it. That's really like how I like to wear my clothes, if you guys are not familiar. But these are the pants. Now these pants will run you $400. Now if you know me, I'm a retail poppy and I use Christmas to get some of my favorite gifts that I want throughout the year. That's just how I'm rocking though. Drawers, socks, anything that I don't really want to buy myself, that's what I ask for Christmas, and hopefully Santa gets it for me, you feel me? But this is the pants right here. I got these for Christmas last year and I love them. Now with that being said, you can wear these regular. Right now I don't have anything under them, but you know, when it does get cold here in the north, you can put thermals under these, jeans under these. Let's just say if you work outside, you can have pants under these and then have these on top, and that's what it's for. Now on the side here, we do have a pocket. What the heck is this on my pants? On the side here, we do have a pocket, and I think my dog was like biting on these or something, man. I got lint and stuff all over these dog hair. But on the bottom here, you can actually unzip it, and it zips out, and you can see that's thermal and like another layer underneath that. But these pants are just fire. Now the shirt is in a size small. This is the old core, but this is the 3M letters, as you guys can see. I don't know if it's picking up in the light and whatnot. Even my shirt, this has like a lot of dog hair and stuff on it. My bad, y'all. I just picked this up real quick. I'm rushing today. I'm trying to show y'all real fast, but this is the fit. All black fit. This is in size small, the shirt. Once again, you can see how it fits me like a regular t-shirt. So This is a size small. If you guys want this type of fit, go down one size from your original size. If you want more of a baggy fit, go true to size. Now, when I do wear a medium in this shirt, it does have a little bit more flap. If you guys do not know what I'm talking about, just go watch one of my Fear Guy videos. You guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. But this is actually my first time having this on in a size small, so you guys may want to see how this looks in a size small, and it fits you like a regular shirt. Now, if you have a good body structure like myself, an athletic body structure, and this shirt will fit you very nice and hug your arms very nice, as you guys can see here. But let's get into the next fit, man. Let's get into the next fit. Alright guys, so this is the next fit right here. We have the hoodie, a Essentials hoodie with the North Face pants. Now, what do you guys think about this fit right here? Something calm, something you will need if you are in the North. An Essential in my collection, every color. I believe black is probably the best ones you can buy though if you guys are thinking about the color, or the dark oatmeal. This is what it looks like in the back right here. Fire. Let me know what you guys think about this fit right here. I have both pants options available right here so you guys can see what they look like. Now, you can make this pant a little bit tighter, but I unloosened it, as you guys can see. Just put this one over and show you guys a tighter look versus the looser look real fast, and also the other way real fast. But let's get into the next fit. I believe in, if you have a car, you just need a hoodie because the car is going to be warm. I'm just going to the store and I'm coming right back, you know what I mean? But I have been buying a few more coats now because, you know, I have to show you guys how these things look. Let's just be real. Now, fun fact of the day, if you guys did skip the first video where I talked about, you know, getting your gifts for Christmas, this was actually the first jacket I got for Christmas about 2 years ago. And this was the first jacket in my collection since I was probably in high school, believe it or not, because I used to take the bus and whatnot. You had to have a coat. But since I got a whip, I stopped really buying jackets. And this was the first jacket that I got back in the collection like 2 years ago. With that being said, this was in a size medium and I did outgrow this. I believe in jackets, go up one size from your original size because you will have a nice fit and you'll be able to fit hoodies under it. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys what this jacket looks like. So this jacket is in a size medium, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit young on me. Now, it still does fit me if I didn't have a hoodie under it and maybe just a t-shirt, but honestly, you know, when it's winter here, who's gonna want to just wear a jacket? You need a hoodie under it, especially here in the North. It gets very, very cold. So that being said, it does look a little bit young on me, you know what I mean? But this jacket does kind of look like a 700. That's why I mentioned the 700 thing a little bit earlier, and I just like the way that looks. But I'm gonna show you guys this jacket with a size large real fast. Take this off. Now, this jacket that you guys see me putting on right now looks good without a hoodie on and with the hoodie. So as you guys can see, this jacket just fits me a lot better. Even with the hoodie on, I have a lot more space to move all around my arms. I feel comfortable, you know what I mean? But this is the fit right here. What do you guys think about this fit? Let's get on to the next fit, man. Next fit right here, Drake merch tee. This is a 21 Savage merch right here with some jeans. Now, I got these jeans from Primark for $20. Yes, I know, around the pandemic. I'm not sure if they still have these in style, but let me know if you find them. This is the back of the fit right here. Dope tee. Size large on the shirt. These shirts do run kind of small. And as you guys can see, I have a little bit of space in the arm area. Nothing too crazy. But if you have similar, you know, body measurements to myself, go with the size large or go bigger. You can go true to size, but it will fit you a little bit snug. Not like how the Essential shirt fit me in a small, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah, this is the fit right here. Let me cover up the jeans, show y'all how I'm rocking. Boom. Easy, calm, you know. I don't know if a lot of people still wear shirts that has like spray paint theme on it, but this is the shirt right here. Dope. You probably won't see a lot of people with this shirt because honestly, once a concert is over, people forget about this type of thing, and when you bring it out, it is dope. So maybe in a few years, you know, this shirt will be worth a little bit of change, you know what I mean? But let's get into the next fit right here. So I have on some camouflage pants right here. I got these from Dick's for like $50, and then because I spent so much money there buying shoes, I had got points and they were even cheaper than that. So, you know, when you have these points and when you shop at stores, you get points that build up and get you gift cards and things like that. It's free money, you know what I mean? So you're cleaning cash for free. But anyway, let's get into it. If you guys do not know what I'm talking about, make sure you guys go watch my last video on this shoe right here because I go very in detail about these things. So let's look at it real quick. This is the fit though. Fire fit. Dang, I think I showed y'all this shirt already. Oh well, it's already on. But this is the pants. Dope pants, right? These pants is fire. Now normally when you got these type of pants on, you know, it's like something that brings a lot of attention. And then when you got the fly shoes with it, like I wore these with the orange SBs. Oh man, that just threw it off. But this is the fit right here with the fours. Dope combination. White tee. A clean white tee will probably make it blend better and make it pop better, in my opinion. You can do what you want though. But this is the fit. I'm gonna throw the jacket on with this fit real quick. Now, if you guys skip through the video, even though I believe y'all shouldn't skip nothing that I have to say, because everything that I say is facts. But that's my opinion. But this is the shirt with the jacket. Now, earlier I did mention how, you know, if you go true to size on the jacket, it will look nice on you. But if you go one size up from your original size, it will look even better. So my true size is a size medium when it comes to jackets, but I went to a large on this jacket, and it does fit me very, very nice, as you guys can see right here. And I could put a hoodie under this comfortably, and it would look nice as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like with a hoodie real quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so this is the fit with the hoodie real quick, just so you guys can see real fast what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think about this combination. Throw the hood up for y'all so you can see what it look like. I'm also zip it up. Give me a second. This is what it looks like zipped up and everything too. Now it is getting kind of late and I gotta edit all this stuff, so I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Hopefully you guys like this video. I want to show y'all a little bit more fits, but pretty much feel like I got a lot of footage for y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love. See you soon.